For your read aloud today, I wanted to share a book that is on getepic.com. And if you're interested in getepic.com, I will give you the class code. I can give you the class code so that you can access thousands and thousands of really great books like Plants Are Living Things by Bobby Coleman. Living things need air. Living things need water and food. Living things need sunshine. Living things need places to live and grow. People are living things. Animals are living things. Plants are living things too. Plants need air, water, food, and sunshine. Plants need places to grow. Some plants grow in soil. Some plants grow in water. Which of these plants is growing in soil? Can you see the one here? See, soil is another name for dirt, right? Which of these plants are growing in water? There they are, water lilies, so pretty. Plants are alive. All living things are made up of tiny parts called cells. Plants are made of cells too. Cells are tiny. We cannot see them with only our eyes. We need a microscope to see them. This boy is using a microscope to look at plant cells. This is what he sees with a microscope. All kinds of plants. Flowers are plants, grasses are plants, weeds are plants, ferns are plants too. Is this deer a plant? No, of course not. What kind of living thing is it? Of course, it's an animal, right? Trees are the biggest plants. Some trees are as tall as skyscrapers. Plant parts, we've talked about this. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. Some plants have flowers. Some plants have fruits. Name 5 kinds of fruits. Can you name 5 kinds of fruits? How about apple, orange, banana? Let's think, what else? Kiwi. And we learned about figs too. Figs are also a kind of fruit. These sunflowers have roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. They have seeds too. Where are their seeds? Well, guess what? We talked about this right in the middle of that flower. This small pepper plant has roots, a stem, leaves, and fruits. Its fruits are peppers. Plants grow. Plants grow and change. These tomato plants are small now, but they are growing quickly. Soon there will be tomatoes on the plants. At first, the tomatoes are small and green. They keep growing. As they grow, the tomatoes turn red. Red tomatoes are ripe. Ripe means fully grown. The red tomatoes are ready to eat. They are sweet and delicious. We kind of talked about that kind of thing that happens with the pumpkin plants. We said that pumpkins start out as small, little green, then they turn yellow before they even turn orange. So you know that living things grow and change. Many kinds of plants make seeds. New plants grow from the seeds. Bean plants grow from seeds. This plant is a bean plant. This is how a bean plant grows. The seed breaks open. Roots grow down into the soil. A stem starts to grow above the soil. Leaves grow on the stem. What do you think happens next? Yeah, it starts to get little beans on it, right? What is a life cycle? Well, the life cycle of a plant is how a plant changes from seed to a grown plant. The grown plant then makes new seeds. These pictures show the life cycle of a bean plant from seed to seed. So after the grown plant makes new seeds, it starts all over again. That's what makes it a cycle. It just keeps happening. Other ways to grow. Some plants do not grow from seeds. They grow in different ways. Some plants grow from bulbs. Daffodils grow from bulbs. The bulbs will grow into a daffodil, like the 2 flowers that are shown here. Potatoes are fat, round stems called tubers. Potato plants grow from the tubers. So did you know when you're eating a potato, you are actually eating a big, fat, round stem of a plant? Strawberry plants have runners that spread out under the ground. Small shoots grow from the runners. The shoots grow roots and stems. The shoots become new plants. Fruits grow on those new plants. Plants can make their own food. Plants are the only living thing that can make their own food. Plants need sunlight, air, and water to make food. Plants take in the sunlight and air through their leaves. Plants use the sunlight to turn air and water into food. Making food using sunlight is called photosynthesis. Plants take in water through their roots. Their roots can be in the soil or in the water. Plants also take in nutrients from the soil or water. Nutrients help plants grow. Nutrients help us grow too. We get our nutrients from the food we eat. Plants get it from the soil, and we get it from the food we eat, which is sometimes plants. Plants clean the air. When plants make food, they take in carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas found in air. Carbon dioxide is harmful to people and animals. When plants make food, they release oxygen. Oxygen is the gas in the air that people and animals need to breathe. So the plants take out the bad things that are in the air and they put in the good stuff, like oxygen. We need plants. Plants are important to all living things. Plants give us many of the things we need. Some animals make their home from plants. This swan's nest is made from plant parts. Trees give us shade and they make the air clean. They give us wood to build our homes. We also use plants to make clothing and paper. Most important of all, plants give animals and people food to eat. Plant a vegetable garden this spring. You will have fun watching your plants grow. You will also love the delicious foods that come from your plants. All right, that was a good book full of lots of good information, and there are plenty more on that getepic.com.